Hey Capricorn, this is Sai. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a reading for Capricorn soulmate connection. All that you need to know about your person, their intention, feelings, what they are up to, what they want to offer you, versus what can happen for the next 15 days. Okay, so let's start. Let's start with your energy and then we move to your person. For Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node. Okay, so let's start. Capricorn. Many of you guys could right now be not directly communicating with your person, but some of you, not all, could be stalking them or keeping a watch on their social media or as to what they are up to. I mean, there's nothing wrong. I mean, you're just cautious, right? That's all. In terms of what's coming towards you, with Ten of Swords, it's like you guys are going through some ending. You guys feel betrayed. You guys feel like this person possibly killed this connection or sabotaged this connection, and you want to know why. Okay, in terms of what to expect, with Temperance card, regardless of however you feel right now, I see you being in a better light in the coming weeks. Okay, like much more balanced, much more sorted. Okay, even if this connection has been very depressing, very much draining in your life, I do see you getting over it eventually. Okay, in terms of overall energy of the connection, with Moon card, lots of I mean, lots is hidden from you. Okay, you do not know what this person is up to. Very very secretive, very very much manipulative. Someone who is hiding something from you, which you highly doubt could be a third party. Okay, top card we have is the Empress card. In the past, things could have been good between the two of you, but right now things are very much confusing. Okay, in terms of how do they think about you now? Queen of Swords. This person does want to talk to you. Okay, it could be sudden communication and very much detached or direct communication in terms of their energy towards you. Five of Cups. The energy towards you is they do miss you. However, they are not wanting to act as though they miss you or they want to talk to you. No, they are coming off pretty detached, pretty much like they are unbothered, or they really do not care about where this is going. Okay, in terms of how do they view the connection now? I have a card, just give me Five of Swords. I believe they look at this connection as something that ended due to ego clashes, due to mind games, manipulation. They know that you guys both played each other, even if you haven't. They might look at it as both being responsible for the way it is right now. Okay, with the Magician card, someone definitely cheated. I think it's majorly them. Okay, selected few of you, it could also be that they cheated, and then you possibly held yourself back, and that is the reason why this connection possibly died on its own. Like once this person did something sneaky, you could never trust them, you never kept yourself open to them. Why would you, right? But I see it being that way. Okay, in terms of their feelings towards you, they are still very much attached to you. Five of Cups as energy and the Devil as feelings. They are still very much obsessed with you, attached to you. They cannot free themselves from you. Even if they could not come to a decision as to where this is going and what they should be doing, they cannot deny the fact that they are still very much attached to you. Okay. Top card we have is Knight of Cups. It is not just attachment. I do see feelings. Okay. In terms of the heart space, Four of Wands, which speaks about them having something real with you in the past. I believe they are the ones who messed it up, but you guys had something very real. Okay, with Emperor card, this person is someone who's very very controlling, and their controlling ways could have really messed up the connection. Okay, in terms of their headspace, how do they feel for Capricorn? Headspace as well with Nine of Cups. They really want to be with you. Okay, they really wish to be with you. It would be their wish fulfillment to end up with you, to get married with you. In terms of what's blocking the connection, King of Pentacles, some of them could be very much focused on their finances. If it's not that, then some of them could already be in another connection, which is like a marriage or something that they cannot find their way out of. Okay, one more card in terms of what's blocking the connection. Page of Cups. Some of you, I believe that there could be some age gap. Okay, if it's not an age gap, one of you could be having a kid, and that could kind of get in the way. Okay, one more card in terms of what else could be blocking the connection. With Two of Cups, I majorly feel that your person has been kind of in another relationship, even if it is a relationship with no love or no emotions, but they are still tied to someone else. Okay, I do see a third party directly or indirectly. Okay, in terms of their intentions towards you now. Three of Swords, please clarify. Two of Swords. I do not see this person possibly wanting to fix things for now. Okay, I still see them staying where they are. Okay, even if this person comes in front of you, they won't really do much. They might be having all those feelings for you, but they're not wanting to act on it. They're still wanting to come off detached. Okay, and you know why. Okay, in terms of what efforts are they wanting to put towards you now? Six of Swords. I do not see this person wanting to invest emotionally. Okay, I still see them very, very distant. Okay, in terms of what can you expect? High Priestess. This, you cannot really expect much from this person. If you are dealing with a past person, you got to know that this person does not have much to offer. Neither are they risking it all to be wanting to be a part of you. Okay. In terms of what can you expect from this person from now until the 20th of the month? Page of Pentacles. All you can expect from this person is a message. Okay, a small a small message, and that's about it. Okay, I do not really see this person doing much. Okay, with Six of Pentacles, it's still gonna be the way it is. Okay, I still see this person breadcrumbing you. In terms of overall energy, where do we see things going till the 20th? With the Star card, regardless if they are coming towards you or not, I see you doing well. Okay, regardless if they are coming or not. Okay, top card we have is Two of Swords. So the past connection remains untouched. Past connection remains possibly the same. Okay, if you guys are dealing with someone new in your life, darling, you got to let go of the past person. I do not feel all of you have moved on from the past yet. Okay. With the Fool card, I do see you guys meeting someone if you are ready for it. For many of you, this could be a long distance relationship. You guys could have not met yet. If even if you met yet, it could still come off as a platonic connection. Okay, you guys are not really emotionally invested yet. With King of Cups, it has a good potential in the future, but for now you got to go slow. Okay, so let's take love messages for Capricorn. Okay, so we have one direct message here. Just sex, hookup only. This person isn't ready for commitment yet. They just want to hook up. They just want to have a sexual relationship. Within next few weeks, I see this person trying to reach out in the next few weeks. Okay, I hope we can still work it out. So this person is still hoping that you guys can still remain in contact. Last message we have for you: I am blocked responsibilities. Just like I told you, this person is bound elsewhere, and they are not willing to let go of that connection to be a part of you. Even if they have feelings, they are not ready. Okay. So this is all I have for you, my dear friends. Okay, if it resonated, kindly hit the like button. Do let me know in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button. Okay, and if you want to personally with me, do reach out on my website and book one for yourself. Thank you so much for coming in, and I hope you guys have a great week ahead. Cheers.